Hi there, folks, and welcome to this week's Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 154. So, our first story is to do with business, it's to do with money, and it's all the coins that the Royal Mint produced in 2017. And interestingly enough, they produced no 20 pences or £2, as we can see from this bar graph here. And the reason for that was actually we broke another story earlier on in the year about the release of the new fancy £1 coin. And because that was so popular and people wanted one, that there wasn't so much of a need to make any new 20 pences or £2 coins to go with it. But anyway, how many coins in total did the Royal Mint produce in 2017? So the interesting thing here, of course, is that these numbers, because of course you can't get 0.99 of a coin, but this is in millions of coins. So it's 240,990,000. This is 16,600,000. And this is 220,510,000. This is 33,300,000. Obviously, that's just zero. 67,900,000 and 749,620,000. And we need to add all them together to get the total number of coins produced. So here it is, and now we need to write it in words. So this is 1 billion. We've got 328 million, and then we've got 920,000. So that's an awful lot of coins. So part B, what bit trickier now, what was the combined value of all of these coins? So these coins are worth 1 pence, these are worth 2 pence, so on and so forth. So what we can do is we can change these coins into pence. So 1 pence is 0.01 pounds. So we can multiply this by 0.01. This is 2 pences, so we can multiply by 0.02. These are 5 pences, so we can multiply by 0.05. These are the 10 pences, so that's going to be 0.10, but of course you could just use 0.1. These are the 50 pences, so we multiply by 0.50. And these are the pound coins, so we can actually just times by 1 or just leave it alone. But anyway, if you do all those calculations and add them all up, it comes to a total value of 800,667,400 pounds. So, certainly not all going to be down the back of my couch, but that's an awful lot of money, isn't it? Anyway, on to our entertainment story now. So we've got Lewis Capaldi. He's just released his new album this week, and he's been dubbed the King of Glasgow after somebody put his face at the top of the Duke of Wellington statue. It's quite a tricky question here. Is big hit single "Someone You Loved" in number one for 7 straight weeks. It entered the charts on the 8th of November 2018. And what date did it leave top spot? Well, we can work out how many days it spent in number one first of all by doing the number of weeks times the number of days in a week. So it was number one for 49 days. Now, if you look at the 8th of November, there's 30 days in November, which means there's 22 more days to go in November. So we can take that off the 49 to get 27 days. So it's going to be 27 days into the next month, which is December. So the answer we're looking for there was the 27th of December 2018. Okay, so on to our education story. So two-thirds of adults think P should be a core subject. What figure is this as a percentage? Well, 30, so a third, 1/3 is 33 and a third percent. So two-thirds is 66 and two-thirds percent. So that was the answer we were looking for here. So a measurement story with a sports team that we couldn't ignore. So we are looking at two goals that they're saying defined the English Premiership this year. A goal that was given to Manchester City that just crossed the line, and a goal that wasn't given for Liverpool, which didn't cross the line by 11 millimetres. So we want to know what the diameter of a Premier League football is. But what we do know here is we know that this distance, this 11 millimetres, is 5% of the diameter of a Premier League football. So 5% of the diameter of a Premier League football is 11 millimetres. So the total length of the diameter will then be 100% of the diameter. Now, what do we do to 5% to get 100%? Well, we have to multiply by 20 because 5 goes into 120 times. So we can multiply the 11 millimetres by 20 to get 220 millimetres. But of course, the question asks us to give the diameter of the Premier League football in centimetres. So to change millimetres into centimetres, we divide by 10, so that gives us a final answer of 22 centimetres. Well, anyway, folks, there you have it. Our word solutions for Daily Rigour 154. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.